What's up YouTube? Mimi here, coming at you from my channel, Bunny Birdy Gator. You guys, I just discovered some new cookies and I know these cost a lot more in other places like Walmart or maybe your Mexican markets. We have cookies, you guys, marshmallow biscuit with coconut, the Diabolines. Hopefully I said that right. So we have the white cookie with the pink filling, but we also have the marshmallow biscuit with coconut with a brown cookie, sort of a galleta chocolate. We get 5.29 ounces. I love that we have options to choose from. And we also have some Marias. This is a really nice big container, a nice big box actually, 14.82 ounces of Maria cookies. If you guys have ever had any sort of Maria cookie, then you know it's like perfect, it's not too sweet. All three of these cookies I showed, I believe, are made in Mexico. I'm not sure about the Marias. Let's double check and just make sure though. Yes, hecho en Mexico también. So let's keep it moving. I was really excited to find those because I've recently eaten some of these and I really like these, so I just wanted to share those. That's why we have to hunt through everything, up and down every aisle. Now when I was down this aisle earlier during my live, or I should say when I finished the live, I noticed some things that were brand new for Christmas. These little last minute gifts. We have the body spray. This is their version of Beautiful by Estee Lauder. We also have their version of Poison by Christian Dior, their version of Paris Hilton, and their version of Chanel No. 5. These would be fun to try out, or maybe you want to use them as air fresheners or room fresheners. And then we have this brand new display up here. The brand is Cold Dapper. That's what it said. And I looked on the back and it says it's mind, body, and soul. It doesn't say anything that makes me think this is a Dollar Tree product, even though this packaging looks like it. But this is a little bath salt and aftershave balm. We also have this hand cream, and the scent is sandalwood scent. And then we have this nice big container of aftershave balm. This is the cream bath. And I live in Minnesota, somewhat close to Canada, so a lot of the packaging here where I live is also in French. That way, these items can be sold in Canada, which is their rule, their law, that products have to contain French and English, or at least French. So if you guys are always wondering why do I have a lot of French on the packaging in my stores, that's the reason. And then this is their version of, I think it's Anise by Cacharel, which I think was a scent that maybe came out in the 80s or 90s. I'm not really sure. And then we also have some EAD men's sprays, Cool Water, their version of Cool Water. We have their version of Polo Blue by Ralph Lauren. We also have Dracar by Guy Laroche, their version of that. And then we also have their version of 1 Million by Paco Rabanne. And then this one is also new, and the bottle is much bigger than the others. This is Euphoria, their version of Euphoria by Calvin Klein. And this is a women's scent, and I don't know why it's so much taller than the others, but it is. So if you guys are looking for some stocking stuffers or just something little for yourself, give them a try, because I don't know, those are always fun. Like, even though I do spend money on name brand fragrances, I do still like to play around with the dupes sometimes. And then we have some serums here. We have the double strength retinol cream. And we have the vitamin C. Now, if you guys are familiar with Dr. Dre here on YouTube, she's a dermatologist and she goes to a lot of the stores looking for dermatologist approved skincare. She'll like turn around the bottle and she'll just like read a bunch of ingredients and she'll say, oh, not bad, or pass on that, or this is a good one. And I believe she said this is a good one. Also, there is a diabetic hand cream that she swears by. She's always like, that's really good. Like, you don't have to have diabetes to use it. And I don't see it at the moment, but you guys should check out some of her videos. That's Dr. Dre, D-R-A-Y, here on YouTube. She goes through all of the stores that we love, looks at products, says, yeah, that's actually really good, or no, you should pass on that. And surprisingly, you guys, surprisingly, a lot of the Bolero products recently, in one of her recent videos, she was looking at some of the Bolero products and she was actually giving some of them a pass, like, yeah, they're good, or except for the fragrance, they're good. And I don't know if any of these were included. I don't think they were, but these are all the brand new Bolero products. And anyways, you guys, I know I'm kind of ranting about about Dr. Dre right now, but if you have some time, definitely check out her channel, because she'll go in Dollar Tree and basically do a shop with me and just say what she thinks is good or not for your skin. So that's kind of nice to know. Now, these were recently added, the Pond's. We have the facial foam and we have the Pure Detox facial foam. These were both recently added, like maybe 2 weeks ago, but we have a lot of options here. We have detox face masks. I think this is a new one. Charcoal and seaweed. We have things from Freeman. We have a bubble face mask with hyaluronic acid. Please, 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 you guys, if you don't know what skincare to buy, or if you're just like, oh, I'm terrified to buy skincare at Dollar Tree, please watch one of her videos and she will show you what you should get and what you shouldn't get. And trust me, there's always a lot that she says is good. So I love watching those. Oh, and these are new this week. Look, you guys, these came from Walgreens. The color is 480 Bamboost. That's the color. Kind of different, sort of a green gray. And those are by, what is it? Sally Hansen, right? Sally Hansen. I love Sally Hansen. I'm wearing a Sally Hansen color that I got from Dollar Tree right now, and I just love it so, so much. But yeah, you guys, I'm gonna end right here and then start my very next video right here in the makeup aisle. So you guys definitely come back to my very next video. We're gonna look for more deals and look for more new things here in Dollar Tree. Hopefully I can give you guys some more stocking stuffer ideas. So you guys definitely look out for my next video, or check out my Dollar Tree playlist if you want to catch up. Anyways, you guys, that's it for me. Thank you so, so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye, guys.